Imagine a world where language barriers vanish instantly. AI is transforming language services, making seamless communication across languages and media a reality. Let's explore how this revolution is unfolding. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AI-driven platforms are reshaping how we interact globally. From text to speech, these technologies ensure accuracy and scalability, bridging gaps in understanding like never before. Advanced OCR technology is revolutionizing document digitization. Extracting structured text from complex documents is now effortless, benefiting industries like healthcare and finance. Imagine digitizing reports and medical records with precision. OCR technology ensures that every detail is captured accurately, streamlining workflows across sectors. AI-based transcription handles multiple speakers and accents with ease. Clean, timestamped transcripts are crucial for accessibility and documentation. Whether it's a conference call or a lecture, AI transcription ensures every word is captured. This technology supports diverse vocabularies, making it indispensable for businesses. Translate across 100+ languages with advanced neural models. From text to speech, explore the modes that suit your needs. Imagine communicating effortlessly in any language. Neural translation models make this possible, enhancing global interactions and business opportunities. Medical term recognition and HIPAA compliance are at the core of our services. This ensures sensitive data is handled with utmost care. Supporting healthcare and life sciences, our services provide accurate translations and extractions. This aids in research, diagnosis, and patient care. Experience lifelike spoken audio in multiple languages. AI-powered text-to-speech is perfect for training, accessibility, and customer service. Imagine training modules that speak directly to you. Text-to-speech technology enhances learning and accessibility, making information more engaging. Automated workflows reduce errors and save time. Real-time processing and economical pricing models make our services accessible to all. Imagine processing large volumes of data instantly. Our AI models ensure speed and accuracy, optimizing your resources and reducing costs. Upload, process, and download your content securely. Experience the ease of global communication without barriers, powered by Business Compass LLC. Our platform offers instant, secure processing. Whether it's documents or media, enjoy seamless global interactions with just a few clicks. Recap. We've explored AI's role in transforming language services. From text extraction to translation, these innovations are reshaping global communication. By embracing these technologies, you'll enhance efficiency and connectivity. AI-driven language services are the future of seamless global interaction. Call to action. Ready to transform your communication? Start using Business Compass LLC today and break down language barriers effortlessly. Join us in revolutionizing global communication. Upload your content now and experience the power of AI-driven language services.